Hello, I'm in a 2012 Honda Crosstour, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from here, go down and you should see a lever here with some tension that you pull. That pop was the safety release. And then behind here you should see a cord there with a little tension. Make sure that's connected and slightly tight. If not, you might need to address that. But that cord just runs all the way up here. In most vehicles you'll find a lever towards the middle. So this one I'm pushing and then lifting. That's right here. So it was hooked on this. And then here's that lever. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day. Oh, and if you're having issues, make sure this is all tight. You might need to spray some WD-40 in here if something's not quite letting loose. And then same, make sure your hood's in straight alignment, because if this is all off center or bent or something, that might cause issues. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.